And I feel where we are it's the cell phone. That's it. When you're not home, what's on your mind? What do you care about? What are you thinking? You're thinking you want to reach down and feel that hard rectangle. That's what you're thinking. When you're on that street, you want to be juiced up and packing the rectangle. And it feels so good in the morning when it's charged, doesn't it? And you leave. But of course, as the day wears on, the little buildings, they go down. The last one changes color. It kind of freaks you out. What's happening? I feel tired when the cell phone's running out. I don't have the same energy. I'm just trying to get to a charger. A call comes in. Listen, I don't know how much time I have left.